Hello everybody, today's video I'm flying my Mavic Air further than before, so let's take off.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Everything looks good so far. The battery is at 63%. I did some point of interest shot before that. So I'm starting to push the drone a little bit forward to the left. The drone was operating at 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi signal. GPS looks okay. Video feed looks good. No interruption. Flight looks stable. It's a bit cloudy during that time. I already reached 500 meters. So far so good. $800 meters. Things are going fine. Almost there, almost 900 meters. Okay, at this time, I'm not so sure, but the drone kind of like moved by its own to the right and start wobbling to the left. Probably because of the wind or interference, so I'm not taking any chances. The battery was down at 49%, so I swiped back the return to home button to recall the drone. Lucky for me, the drone goes back to its original location. That's where I was standing without any problems. It was a close call, but yeah, that's the furthest I've flown my Mavic Air so far. So I'll try to go further in the future and see how it goes. Almost home. I canceled the return to home so I can manually lower the drone. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, guys, and be sure to subscribe to my channel to show your support. See ya!